what's going on, guys? As you can see, the bike is now put together. Unfortunately, that did take a few days, maybe weeks. We won't talk about that. But we're here. We had to buy some more parts. I had to buy some more parts. Steven,
I helped.
So much gracefully helped with everything. The bike is now running. I had to... Help me out, Steven. What we had to do? We had to re-drill the motor plate.
The motor plate
had to be slid over.
Good big holes in it now.
Yeah.
Because the Hemi and the non-Hemi.
Yeah, the previous Hemi that was sitting there, I don't know where that's at right now. It's probably motor power.
The new brake had to be modified by cutting the bushing down to
right.
get it slide in between the frames.
If you saw on the timeline, I had to put a new brake on. I put a new brake on. In the time lapse, I'm sorry.
That pair of vice grips is the same thing as a Cotter pin.
Yeah, don't worry about the vice grips. I was literally there just for safety and to hold it. It's just a Cotter pin.